Invasion game, Agawan Panyo. An invasion game is a type of team sport where players work together to invade the opposing team's area to score points, while also defending their own area to prevent the other team from scoring. Invasion games are about attacking, defending, and moving into the opponent's space to score while protecting your own. It is played by two teams. Goal is to invade the opponent's territory, the area, court, or field. Teams try to score points like goals, baskets, or captures. Players need to use movement skills like running, dodging, passing, attacking, and defending. For example, the basketball, soccer, ultimate frisbee, capture the flag, and traditional games like Agawan Panyo. Agawan Panyo, a traditional Filipino game that is also considered as an invasion game. This game is fun, exciting, and teaches us about teamwork, respect, and strategy. The game improves speed, agility, and teamwork while sportsmanship promoting. Let us discuss the rules and regulations. 1. Divide the class into two equal teams. 2. The teams face each other with a distance in between. A handkerchief or the panyo is placed at the center line. 3. Each player is given a number, for example, 1, 2, and 3. Each players with the same number from both teams will compete. 4. The teacher or the game master will call out a number. The players with that number will run toward the center to grab the handkerchief. 5. Once a player gets the panyo, they must run to their team's line without being tagged by the opponent. 6. If they successfully return, their team scores a point. 7. If the player is tagged before reaching their side, the point goes to the opposing team. 8. And lastly, the game continues until all players have had a turn or until a cell score is reached. Skills needed in playing the Agawan Panyo. 1. Running. To move quickly toward the panyo and back. 2. Dodging to avoid being tagged by the opponent. And 3. Tagging to stop the opponent from bringing the panyo back. 4th, teamwork and strategy. Deciding who is faster or more agile and supporting one another. The values learned in playing the Agawan Panyo is first, respect. Accept winning or losing gracefully. Second, cooperation. Working as a team to succeed. Third, sportsmanship. Playing fair and following the rules. Let us go with our activities. Activity 1, Rule Hunt. Instructions. The teacher will show mix-up sentences. Some are correct and some are wrong about the rules of Agawan Panyo. Students will check the correct sentences. For the wrong ones, students will write the correct rule on their paper. After finishing, volunteers will share their answers with the class. Activity 2. Respect in actions. The class will be divided into 5 groups. Pick one representative per group to pick a scenario. Each group will be assigned one scenario related to playing Agawan Panyo. Groups will have 2 to 3 minutes to prepare a short role play. After preparing, each group will have 2 to 3 minutes to perform. After performing, the teacher will ask, how did this group show respect? And the other students will respond. The teacher will emphasize the importance of respect in every situation. Activity 3, Agawan Panyo Skills Stations. For our instructions, divide the class into 3 groups. Prepare 3 skill stations around the playing area with cones or markers. Each group starts at a different station. practices the skill for 3 minutes, then rotates to the next station until all are completed. After all rotations, group will gather and apply the skills in a mini agawan panyo game.